to another episode of Todd Talks. Today we're going to be talking to you about, B&B's core products. We're North America's largest synchronous drive pulley manufacturer. So we're going to talk about the different drive pulleys that we have today. We're in our distribution center here in LaPorte, Indiana. You can see all the inventory that we carry. So just want to talk to you a little bit about the 4 iterations of synchronous drive pulleys. The first one that we have is obviously your trapezoidal. All right, trapezoidal is basically your 1940s technology. It's very versatile today. It's the most widely used, but you can see we stock a wide variety of the different pitches. We've got aluminum that's sitting right here. All right, then we get into your QD version. Okay, this is going to be a bushed version as well. This is black oxide coated, different than the aluminum. Then we also stock the trapezoidals and all stock bores. So trapezoidals, we've got these, and then we move to the curvilinear tooth profile, which is going to be, basically your 1960s technology. Okay, going to have more horsepower, more load carrying capacity with this as well. We stock these in a variety of pitches as well, the 5, 8, and 14 millimeter. And then we're going to move to the modified curvilinear, which you can see is we're starting to get larger in size here. Modified curvilinear is going to be your 8P, 14P, and 5P pitches. 2 times the load carrying capacity of the curvilinear. So modified curvilinear, 2 times the load carrying capacity. And then we also get into the still modified curvilinear, but this is going to be for your carbon tensile member belt, your urethane material, which we would call our POWERHOUSE MX. And you can see with these, obviously this is a larger pulley here, 14 millimeter pitch. So we're going to have this in 8 and 14. So you see a lot of different variety that we have. These are stock, but also keep in mind that we can customize these as well. So aluminum material, steel material, and then we do stock some of the POWERHOUSE MX in stainless steel. So we've got your stock variety covered for you here at B&B from a synchronous pulley standpoint. So keep us in mind for all those synchronous pulleys that you have out there in the marketplace. And keep in mind too that B&B, we are part of the Solve Industrial Motion Group. We are the drive solution experts. So thanks for joining.